Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this Reolink app. This for your Reolink cameras. So I got 3 cameras around my house. One out in the back, one over my garage, and one here in my house. So first what you want to do is come over here and open up this app right here. It's called Reolink. So I'm going to click on it. And you see I got one that says outdoor above garage. And I got one in the backyard. So let's open up the backyard. You can click on it. And what it's doing is going live. So that's live on my backyard. And this right here is one of these indoor cameras, but I got it outside. I'm going to change it out and give it an outdoor camera. But you can click on this PTZ right here. I'm going to click on it. And you can move this in any directions you want. You see I'm going over there. Or I can slide back, or I can go down, and you see how the camera is moving. And you can also set mark locations. Just click over here. If you want that location marked, just hit mark location right here. And then what you can do when you do the mark location, you can name it. So I'm gonna just get off of that. You see I got some marked location. I got one that says back patio view. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see that it's a patio view. So I'm gonna click on the patio view and it's gonna automatically center itself to the patio view. I got one that says back fence. I click it. It gives me a view of the back fence. The walkway. I'm gonna click on that. It goes to the walkway. So if I want to go back to the patio view, I just click the patio view. And it's going to center itself to the view of the patio. And if you want to go to another camera, you can either slide right or left. You see I put my thumb right there. I can slide right there. I can go in my front yard over the garage. And if I want to see them all at one time, I can just put my fingers here and I can squeeze them together. See how my fingers squeeze together? Now I see all my cameras on one view. Okay, if I want to just view one camera, I can put my finger on that particular camera and open it wide into the view. And you could turn it to a side view. And you can also click and spread your fingers and you could zoom on the area you want. You can just zoom on it. And turn it back up. And if you want to just view this view of the backyard, you can also just double click and it'll just view the backyard. If you want to slide over and view some other camera, and if I want to make them all come back together on one, just squeeze it and there you go. It's pretty slick. And if you want to add another camera, if you getting ready to add a camera, say for instance this front yard, let's go to my front yard. And I can double click and just view that. And if I want to hear the sound, I can just click this button right here. And if I want to talk to somebody while they're outside, I can hit the talk button. And hit the talk button and hit talk. And whoever's outside can hear me talking now. Say if I want to set an alarm, say somebody's out there messing with my equipment or my vehicle, I can hit this and hit trigger alarm. So it's a lot you can do with this app, and if you want to add another camera, just go right there and just hit this button here on the top, add, and then you just scan the device in and it'll walk you through. It's pretty slick. And it's going to view that front yard. And this camera pretty good, and you got playbacks. If you got a SD card, you could play back. We'll go back to this one about 10 o'clock this morning. As you can see, it's showing somebody walking in there on the left hand side. But it records for like 15 seconds, and you can set your seconds and everything. So we'll go back. We're gonna squeeze this We're going to click on that one and we're going to squeeze it so we can see all the views. And this camera is pretty neat, and I'm going to get a couple of more. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.